So again, May 5th, here I am in 110, West 110. This is for sale right now. This is the view for $1.5 million, a 1-bed, 2-bath here in the West Tower. You're looking down here at the patio and then out to the events plaza. Putting up the steel. Back behind me, we've got the restaurant and the hotel lobby, the West Tower crane, and the East Tower crane. As close as you can get to the ski slopes. This is an excellent opportunity to purchase a 1-bed, 2-bath with 11-foot high ceilings and a massive patio.